Green Branch Construction. We're here in Charlotte. We're doing a little remodel. We have kitchen here, we have dining room here, and the customer wants to open this wall up. And so what we're going to do is we're going to show you how to do that. Now, one thing to remember is you have to understand point loads when you're taking away structural framing. When you have walls like this with 2x4s going through, they're supporting plates, they're supporting ceiling loads. The load comes all the way from the top and it goes all the way down to the footer. And so you need to understand that when you're tearing out walls, so the whole ceiling and roof and all that doesn't drop when you take out a wall. So don't try this at home unless you're very comfortable understanding the way point loads work on the framing of the house. Before we take this wall out that's supporting these floors, we're going to build temporary walls. They're going to support the load, and then at that point we'll be able to remove this wall, put in our beam, and everything's good to go. So let's show you this process. First thing we're going to do is we're going to take off the casing and go ahead and strip this wall of all the drywall, all the trim. Go ahead and get it down to its studs. When there's something covered, you don't always see what's going on. So here, we got an AC vent that we didn't know was there. So we're going to continue and take off this sheetrock. Anytime you're removing walls, there could be something hidden in the wall that you're not aware of. It could expose a problem, which can increase cost of doing the work. So you just want to have some contingency money anytime you're tearing down a wall or doing any kind of internal remodeling for things that you don't see. A few hours later, and like maybe 5 pounds of sweat later, we've got all the sheetrock out. We've dealt with most of the HVAC pipes. There's just one left open that we'll be able to get out a little easier once the studs are gone. And stage 2 is coming in. We're going to put a bottom plate and a top plate, and then we're going to run studs in between it to support both ceiling loads. We're going to get these walls as close to this wall as we can so that there's very little cantilever or hangover, so we're getting as much support underneath this as we can. Going on now is the HVAC guy that did this cut out the girders that are supporting the floor joists. They cut out about 2 inches of the girder, which is an absolute no-no. We'll come back and put some reinforcement underneath there in a little bit and fix that up. That wasn't part of the scope. Like I said, anytime you open up a wall or you're doing stuff, you want to have some side money, some contingency money for problems that can occur. Okay, so here we are. We have installed 2 LVLs. Floor joists have been nailed into your LVL. Your LVL is now supported by your jacks. This is what they're looking for, an opening where you can pass through into the kitchen, into this room, and we'll come back and sheetrock it and have a finished product. Hey guys, welcome back. See, we got our beam put in. It's been wrapped with sheetrock, finished off. We've furred out our wall here a little bit wider so that we can put the return AC vents that were once here. They're now up in this wall, and we've run the new crown molding. All right, so here we go. We've done this job. The homeowner's very pleased, and when they're pleased, we're pleased, and that's what we're looking for.